Good morning, all of you. Myself, Ashish Ramchandra Dilod, and my friend Moin Khan. We are prepare a small presentation is based on bamboo as construction material.
Content: Introduction, Characteristic, Selection and Preparation, Construction Principle, Design Principle, Beam and Girders, Column, Comparison, Conclusion. Introduction: Bamboo has been used as a construction material in certain areas for centuries. A study of bamboo is used as a reinforcement in precast concrete element was carried out in US Army engineers Waterway Experiment Station in 1964. Bamboo was given recent consideration for use as reinforcement in soil cement pavement slabs in which the slab behave inelastically even under light loads. Bamboo characteristics: Bamboo is giant grass, not a tree. The density of fibers in cross section of a bamboo shell varies with thickness as well as height. The strength of bamboo is greater than most of the timber products. Bamboo is more prone to insect attack than other trees and grasses. Bamboo can prevent pollution. Selection and preparation of bamboo. Selection: use only bamboo showing a pronounced brown color. This will ensure that the plant is at least 3 years old. Select the longest large diameter clumps available. Do not use whole clumps of green, unseasoned bamboo. Avoid bamboo cut in spring or early summer. These clumps are generally weaker due to increased fiber moisture content. Preparation: sizzing, splitting, seasoning, bending, waterproof coating. Construction principle: concrete mix proportion. The same mix design can be used as would normally be used with steel reinforced concrete. Concrete slumps should be as low as workability will allow. Excess water causes swelling of bamboo. High early strength cement is preferred to minimum cracks caused by swelling of bamboo, which seasoned bamboo cannot be waterproofed.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Ashish Ramchandra Dilod. I would like to explain you design principles of bamboo. Bamboo reinforced concrete design is similar to steel reinforcing design. Bamboo reinforcement can be assumed to have the following mechanical properties. Mechanical properties of bamboo reinforcement. Mechanical property symbol value psi. Ultimate compressive strength value 8000. Allowable compressive stress symbol small s value 4000. Ultimate tensile strength value 18000. Allowable tensile stress symbol small s value 4000. Allowable bond stress symbol small u value 50. Modulus of elasticity symbol capital E value 2.5 into 10 raised to 6. Now I am talking about beams and girders. Bamboo longitudinal reinforcement should be between 3 and 4% of the concrete cross section. It have the same bending moment resistance coefficient as a balanced steel reinforced beam. Singly reinforced economy of concrete increases going to the left on the curve. Therefore, deeper, narrower replacement beams are recommended. A minimum number of rods should be used to provide adequate spacing. The bamboo stirrup area should always be about 4 times the steel stirrup area. Columns. Bamboo reinforcement in columns serves to resist a compression load equal to that taken by the concrete it displaces. It also will resist near and tensile stresses. Of the full cross section of concrete, only 80% is considered effective in rectangular tied columns. Allowable concrete stresses should not exceed 0.225 F-C, where F-C is the ultimate compressive strength of the concrete. Vertical reinforcement should be approximately 4% of the column cross section for rectangular columns. When bamboo is used as lateral tie reinforcement, the ties should be spaced not over 16 times the least dimension of the vertical reinforcement, nor farther apart than the least dimension of the column. Comparison of bamboo and steel. The strength of bamboo is greater than steel. Bamboo is easily accessible. Bamboo lower the cost of construction, increases the strength of the buildings. Bamboo can crack and deflect more than steel reinforcement. Conclusion. The environmental and financial comparison demonstrates that bamboo can compete with building material. Bamboo is a natural product and will therefore always have some extent of irregularity. It is therefore suggested that the bamboo culm should be used in functions where the measurement requirements are not entirely precise or fixed, as in temporary buildings, example pavilions and tents, or small civil projects. Furthermore, bamboo can play a role as a non-supporting or finishing material. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening.